If I move this so that the x and 2 swap places, right, now I can rewrite this as ax minus h squared plus k. Right, we have that a is equal to 1. We have that h is equal to minus 2 and k is equal to 0. Okay, so a being bigger than 0 tells me it has to be an upward spacing parabola. These two combined tell me that the vertex has to be minus 2 and 0. Right, and this h here tells me that the axis of symmetry moves along with the h, right? So x has to be h, which is minus 2. So drawing this out right now, here's minus 2, 0. This is where the vertex is, right? And if I plug in for the point to the right, plugging in for negative 1, right? If I have the axis of symmetry to be right here, whatever the y value I gave for this is the same y value for this. Okay, so plugging in for negative 1, you get this. Okay, but the inside just becomes 1 squared, so that's just 1. Okay, so we have this for our parabola.